Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today, let's make lemon cake. Let's get started with the recipe. To a bowl, add 250 grams of softened butter. To this, add in 1 cup of sugar and beat this until it becomes a creamy, pale color. Add in 1 tablespoon of lemon zest to this and beat again, incorporating the zesty flavors. Then add in 4 eggs, one at a time, making sure you properly beat each time you add in an egg. Beating is crucial at this stage because it creates a smooth and airy texture. Once you have added in all the eggs, add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and half a cup of full cream yogurt. Adding yogurt creates a soft and spongy texture. After beating this, add in 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 cups of cake flour. Sift this, removing any lumps in the flour. Then beat again until you get a soft, creamy, pale-colored batter. I'm going to be making mini lemon cake loaves, but this will work with any cake pan of your choice. Don't forget to grease your cake pans before adding in the batter. Bake these at 150 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Remove from the oven, then allow to cool before removing the cakes from the cake pans. Make a sugar glaze with 1 cup of icing sugar and just about enough milk to give it a thick, runny consistency. Then drizzle this over the cooled cakes. Decorate as desired, and here I'm using some dried lemon slices. These are ready to serve. Soft and spongy. Let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and until the next vlog, happy cooking!